I'm gonna put a trucker exhaust on my 370Z and drive it down Fort Lauderdale Beach and see people's reactions. I'm trying to make this thing as obnoxious as possible to get the best reaction on my completely stock 2017 370Z. Justin, this guy, is always trying to get me to modify my car.
Just straight pipe it already, bro. Or dude, at least do a muffler delete. At least let me just do a muffler delete, alright? Look how good this will look. Just let me put this on your car, man. Let me put this on your car, man. Your car, man.
Like a virgin. I kept it stock for 3 years. Nothing touched it. So ask him to be gentle. Please be gentle.
Yeah, I got it.
Yo, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry about it. Not gonna lie, Mike, that was completely unnecessary. Just wanted to see your face.
No muffler on the floor. No.
That's just it. 4-inch, nothing crazy.
No.
Classy. Titanium, blue.
Bigger.
What do you think about this guy? Right off the bat. Right off the bat, like a turbine.
Nah.
And this is a truck exhaust, right?
Yeah.
Big, classy. Let's stack it up like that. Like it's coming out of an 18 rig Big Mac truck.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey. What are we gonna make it come out of?
True trucker exhaust. Like up here. You can put it all the way up here if you want.
Bro, let's write something on it.
He's right.
Let's write American.
He's pretty American. All right, we're done, Mike. Let's fire it up. See how she sounds.
Rev that shit. Alright, let's bring it down A1A.
You like it?
Let's bring it down A1A.
I'm down. Let's go right now.
Bro, let's hit target. Yeah. Let's go to Publix, yo.
When I see this shit, I'm like, what is that? London to Lauderdale, baby. Save my brother. Yo.
The last video, we made a mug that we're gonna be giving away, announcing in the next video. But for this video, we're gonna give away a G Exhaust shirt signed by yours truly, Righty. The way to enter is you're gonna have to tag 2 people. So all you gotta do is tag 2 people, enter the competition, and then G will pick a winner, and then bada bing, bada boom, you're gonna get a shirt signed by this guy.